Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And today we'll speak about the Premier League, the Jamaican Premier League. Now, as you guys know that I had an interview earlier this year with Mr. Speed himself, a member of the JFF board, also a part of the negotiation. And he did say that they put forward ways and plans to try and see if they can do the restart of the Premier League, and up until now nothing has confirmed. But that was early talks this year, and we have seen where news coming out that there might be things put in place and in the pipeline. So guys, smash that like button. I really appreciate if you guys do that, and also give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you really like this content, and subscribe if you're new. This is Military Guna TV. So Radio Jamaica Sports understand that a decision will be made this week about if or when the Premier League season will restart, and that is a big decision. Now, a source close to the Premier League Football Jamaica Limited told Radio Jamaica Sports that they will be hearing from the government later this week in particular, and talks are well in the advanced stage to know what is going to happen if this is going over the line. The source also says an ongoing decision at the moment surrounds whether the league will take place in a controlled or sanitized environment. A controlled environment will see players staying in one location, while a sanitized one would see the players returning home after matches. This also consists of players being tested on a frequent basis. Also, their spouses, their families are being vaccinated. There's also a decision to be made on whether players and officials will undergo regular PCR or antigen testing for the antigen or testing of the virus. Stakeholders are also arranging the best ways for the team to train. The Premier League was last played on March 8th of last year. It was called off a week later after the first positive case was reported in the island. If given the go-ahead to return, the PFJL will be faced with a shortened version of the league, which will be played over one round. Now, these are some significant aspects of it, and we know now that there's things coming in that the league itself needs to restart because of the league, the lack of restart from the league, the lack of football playing in the country. We have now seen a situation where all the players that we want for the senior team would have to be coming from either abroad or maybe integrate 1 and 2 local players in it. But the majority of them will be players coming from abroad, and that's not a good sense, I believe, because we do think that there's quality in the country, and if we don't get the players in the country to participate in the national program, I do think that there's a bit of failure in that. But people, that is the news I have for you this morning. News coming out later. News are going around doing the rounds now, but there's nothing confirmed as yet. When I get the confirmed news, then I can pass it on to you guys. Wayne Shaw, president of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, KASAFA, is urging the local footballers and their family to go out and get vaccinated, as he believes this is the only way that the sports will restart. And I think that as I spoke about earlier, that me and about the interview that I had earlier this year with Mr. Rudolph Speed, and he said that we can arrange a sports bubble because that is what is being used right across the globe. So why can't we implement it? So that is the situation that we have in and right now. But people, thank you very much for tuning in and listening to this one. This is Military Guna TV. Peace out, people. Thank you very much. Smash the like button and also subscribe if you're new. Guess what? I am out.